Okay, myself Likita. I am a Java full stack trainer at Harsha Trainings. Today I am here to explain about one of the project created by our student. So the project comes here, the library management system. Here whoever visits the library management system online, they can view about the book details and they can search the books based upon the author. And suppose he clicks any author like him, so he can see the books by the author name, and when he wants to borrow the book, he can click on the borrow button. As he clicks on the borrow button, he will get the user as a login or staff login, and if he wanted as a to sign in as a new user, he can click on sign in, and from any page he can go to the main page, that is library. And as a administrator, he can also view the staff members, and also he can see the details of people. So you can log in it without entering the credentials. If you click on the login button, you cannot enter inside because it will validate the page by using the technologies. Okay, once you log in, you can see the staff details and the book details, and when you click on the book details or staff, you can see the information. So to fetch this information from the database, we use the database connectivity JDBC, and we use the technologies like servlets and JSP. Thank you.